One.
नमस्कार हमारे साथ है मोहिंदर जी. Thank you so much for speaking to us, Mohinder ji.
You're welcome.
The camera.
Yes.
All right. Okay. Now I have two quick questions. Rising Bharat in 3 words. Go.
Wow, that's quick.
Yeah.
You're tough. The growth has been spectacular. No question. Invincible, Rocky. You can talk anything from start to finish, but Rising Bharat, this is our decade.
Okay. If Bharat was a movie today in 2025, आप क्या title देते थे?
Oh gosh, tough one. It would be something like worldwide.
A movie you love. You
I know
watched.
I love so many movies. I just
Give me one name. Favorite director.
I will go with the Western director of Invictus.
Okay. And his favorite movie that you love? Could that be given? a
Invictus.
title? Yeah.
Invictus is the movie.
All right. Okay. So
Awesome.
Awesome. That
Works.
title for Rising Bharat works for you?
It works for me.
All right, perfect. Now I'm going to play a quick game with you. Word, first thought that comes to your mind. I'm not going to give you a lot of space to think. All right? Bharat.
Greatness.
Sports.
On the way up.
Tennis.
Used to be great.
Used to be? Well, startup.
Number one.
Instagram.
Number one.
Elections.
Spectacular.
Influencers.
Number one.
And chai.
And
Chai.
the best.
The best. All right. Thank you so much, Mohinder ji, for speaking to us.